Emma Catherine here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So clearly today I'm going to be recreating a James Charles makeup tutorial. Disclaimer, I suck at makeup. I first off don't own like any, I think I have pretty good brushes because I got like back when like Sigma brushes were like the thing. I got like a bunch of them for Christmas, and then, but like I'm going to be using my Sephora Blockbuster to achieve this look. This look. So, I don't know, I guess let's just get started. So, I started off, I already did foundation and brows. I hate filling in my brows. I just think it looks stupid. I just think it makes me look stupid. I don't know. Comment down below if you agree. Be honest. I don't really care. Also, they look worse than usual because I freaking had to fill them in with my, like, dried up... What is that stuff called? The stuff in the pot from Anastasia. No one cares. But anyway, I used that stuff, and then, because I couldn't find my Brow Wiz, and then I freaking find my Brow Wiz after I'm done. So they look worse than they would if I just used Brow Wiz. So please no hate on my brows. I hate how they look too. I think they'll look more normal when the eyeshadow's done, but who knows? So let's just hop into this. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, so because I don't know what I'm doing, first thing he did was put the like peachy color in the crease.
I'm just popping the shade right up in the crease and blending it out using windshield wiper motions. And I'm actually not tapping off the brush before I apply this color. We definitely want this to be very, very vibrant and pigmented.
So I'm taking my e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. This is definitely not what I'm supposed to be using, but whatever. Okay, so I kind of think I did it. Okay, I have to admit a really gross thing I've been doing. Well, I don't know if it's gross, but like I bought this water bottle when I was in Boston for DECA. And I drank all of the water out of it, and then yesterday I decided to refill it because it's thick AF. But like, and like I washed the, like give a little soap to this inside thing, but like this part did not get washed. But like, it's just I'm too lazy to wash my swell because you can't put it in the dishwasher, but then it's not thick. So the freaking like sponge thing is like, I'm just delete that. Okay, so now I'm supposed to be taking a burnt orange and doing that again.
I'm popping the shade right up in the crease, and normally when I would do a crease shade, I would always hold the brush like this, completely parallel, or horizontal, there we go, to my face. But for this, I'm actually kind of holding the brush downwards to really get it up in that crease and make sure it doesn't blend any higher. We are going to be cutting out the crease today, so it's okay if everything gets on the lid because we're going to clean it up later.
But there's only one shade of orange in this palette, so we're just going to use her. Okay. Ooh.
Darker orange shade right up in here, but we are just going to want to make sure every color we go in with, we're using a smaller brush or just a more defined motion to really make sure that those colors are getting more and more dark and defined with each time. And once again,
so now I'm gonna take this same, I'm just gonna dip it in both. So I dipped my brush in both, and now I have to create that like thing that goes like that. Well, that looks good. She good. She good. His like crease is so much darker. Like these colors suck. Okay, so now he's going in and using more purpley shades. So
toned brown shade up in here, and I'm going to use this to deepen up once again the crease in the outer V. As you guys can see, when doing these style of looks, it's really, really important to start off light and build your way up darker.
Alright, this is getting this one's like too bright purple, but like, okay, I found like a deeper purple that I'm using now. from this other Sephora palette I have. This is just one of those small ones that has like 5 colors. Pretty sure this is my mom's, but I took it. Okay, yep. I'm like going out tonight, and I thought there was a chance of me maybe wearing this. But like, nope. I've always said that too, like, yeah, I'm going out tonight, and by going out, I mean going with Nick and my other 2 friends, probably to dinner. Lit, am I right? Okay, so now he's putting black in the outer V. I think adding black is a terrible idea.
The brush, I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna tap it right into the outer V. We're gonna cut this entire area out using a shimmer shadow in a second, but I do wanna get all the color on there in the right shape.
I'm about to look like I got punched. Honestly, like, I don't think I get that. Okay, it's a lot of black. It's a lot of black, but I think that I can work with it. Okay, now I just need to like freaking blend like there's no tomorrow. Which we're gonna do. There's no tomorrow. So I started off blending with this brush that came in my Naked palette, and if you're wondering why I haven't used that at all in this video, it's because it's deceased. Reason number 782, not to check your bags. First off, everyone knows in Florida, they got lost, but also it was when I went to Bermuda with my dad for gymnastics meet. And I get my bag, I go to the hotel, I open it up, open my Naked palette, about to like do a look, and it literally crumbles out onto me. The black eyeshadow is the only one that cracked, but it got like all in the other ones, so now it's like wrecked. I can't touch it. I don't want to throw it out because it's like, you know, but like, I don't know, boy. Someone hit me up and tell me what to do. Okay, this is like so like faded now. Like, ha ha, baby, I'm faded. Whatever, anyway, so I don't know. Oh, also I don't have any lashes. I think I have e.l.f. ones actually, but I'm not putting those on. There's literally like this massive ass piece of styrofoam like flying across my neighborhood. Whatever. Anyway, so I was saying now he's doing this like rounded cut crease with some insane like metallic, basically a mirror looking Morphe product, which I don't have.
Sorry about the mirror, but I'm gonna lean in close to really make sure I get this exactly where I want it. And I'm just going to carve out this crease. I'm just filling this in like normal, but then once I get to the outer corner, instead of just fading out the edges, I'm actually gonna pull the shadow once again with that defined brush, and I'm gonna make kind of a loop back around to the lower lash line.
So like the closest thing I could come up with is my like liquid Becca highlighter. So, you know, we're just gonna do it. Pray for me. I feel like I need to like put something dry on top of it. Something that kind of looks like, oh hey, here we go. Oh God, it just got on my hand. Oh Okay, honestly, it's like kind of cool looking. It's like kind of cool looking. So we're just gonna go with it. So, kill me if you want.
So the last and final step of my upper lash line today is actually gonna be to grab the Kat Von D tattoo liner in the shade Trooper, and I'm gonna really lightly outline that outer curve.
Okay, so now he's outlining that like curve thing. So I'm just doing it with this like, oh God. Good grief. Okay, honestly, like, I'm like not that mad about how this looks. I don't know if there's anything more he's gonna make me do, but like, bro. Okay, now he did his like waterline with black, but like I'm not about to look like an emo gal, so I'm just gonna do it with the red. He also did like a little red, and I like actually like sometimes do an eyeshadow look where I do that, but like, but the brush that I'm gonna use for that is the brush that I used for the thing where I faked a morphe. Okay, gal, like this looks so bad. This, I need to fix my like the black, like I don't even know what you call. I don't even know what half of this stuff is called, but like this area looks stupid. I think you need some more red to lighten it up. As I'm like watching the video, he's like, if you add too much, like you can just easily add way too much black and it just ruins the look. And I definitely did that. Okay, so now I guess I'll just like use foundation and clean up around my eyes and see if I can like remedy this, but I feel like you guys don't really need to see that, so. Also, I'll do mascara off camera just because it's hard to do it. And like, I don't know, I'm just better at my desk mirror, you know? Okay, so finished look. I honestly haven't really been able to look at it. So I don't really know how I feel. I guess I'll look right now on my phone because I feel like that's like, I'll really know. Okay, this keeps happening to my camera. It just like won't open. It oh, nice. No, and the picture that like just came up on the screen was not a picture that I took. I have not taken a selfie today. And that was before I put mascara on. So I don't really know how this is working. Let me see. Okay, it kind of looks dope. Yeah, I'm totally leaving this on later. Damn! Emma! Okay, future makeup artist right here. Just kidding. I don't have the budget for that. That's like, I care more about clothes than makeup, so I'm always like, oh, I should buy this, but no. But honestly, I'm kind of proud of myself. So James Charles should probably shout me out, but wait, like I'm actually like low-key proud of this. The other thing he did was put on lip stuff, which I don't feel like doing. Like, I guess I could just put on a gloss, but like I have like a shade close to what he did. But I hate, like, I just think with eyeshadow and the lip, it would just be way too much for me. So honestly, I'm good with this. Gonna go out of my comfort zone and go out to dinner tonight with this on. And that's probably enough for today, but thank you guys so much for watching and bearing with my horrible makeup skills. This was honestly like really fun to film. Like I kind of want to do more of these. So yeah, I honestly might. Comment down below if you guys want to see more of these. And yeah, so love you guys, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.